Okay, here is the 427 block out of the Chevelle. I've got dull stripped down. I've got it degreased pretty much. It's going to go in the hot tank yet, so I got to knock frost plugs and stuff out of it yet. This is a 2-bolt main block, which was pretty common. The 427, kind of a cool motor, legendary. It come out in '66. I think story goes there was actually a mystery motor in '67 that was used in racing and so on. So '63, '64, and that didn't come out till production till I think 1966 in passenger cars, Camaros, Corvettes, Chevelles, that kind of thing. And then after that, I think it went from '66 to '69. So it was limited production of the 427. I was thinking about putting a 454 in the car because the motor is pretty wore and I'm going to have to do everything to it. And I had 454 parts around, but no, I thought it'd be kind of neater to put the motor in it that I just finished pulling out of it. And it is kind of nostalgic because it's 427. It's got all the correct numbers for 427, matching heads and everything, all period correct year-wise. Somebody had been in it and did some stuff, had a crane cam in it, had a windage tray. So yeah, somebody had been in there. I'll show you some stuff on the crank they did. They kind of filleted the little cross-drilled holes in the crank. They did a little bit of grinding on the crank. They nicked the crank. I'll show you that. So yeah, kind of neat, but I think what I'll do is rebuild this one. So the cylinders and that are actually pretty wore. There's enough ring ridge there. Measured them up to the dial bore gauge, and yeah, between them and the pistons, they're wore enough. It needs to be bored out. So we'll bore it 30 thou. I ordered pistons for it that are pretty much the same pistons that come out of it. These are a forged piston. They'll be roughly 10, probably 10.5 to 1 compression is what we're looking at with the closed chamber heads that are on it. So yeah, that's what we're going to do with it. I'll video while we knock all the frost plugs out of it and cam plugs and that kind of thing, and start prepping it first for the hot tank. And you see it had a broken motor mount there, split right in two. This one's halfway split. So yeah, they're pretty done. But yeah, so that's kind of the story on the 427. So it should be kind of cool. We'll do a few little things to it. I'm going to put more cam and stuff in it and tweak it here and there a little bit just to try and get a little bit more horsepower out of it. But all in all, I want a very streetable car. So that's what we're going for, is something that is respectable on the street, but it's going to be a streetable car in the end. I want to be able to hop in and drive it, so might have to have an overdrive tranny somewhere in the end or a gear change. I'm not sure. But for this year, we're getting it ready. It's going back together. We want to run this Miles of Mayhem thing, run it down 5 different tracks or whatever in 6 days, and go about 1,700, I think, kilometer round trip deal. So yeah, that's what it's all about for now. So you guys can watch this as we go through it and in the process of it. So hope you enjoy it, and I don't know, maybe hope you kind of learn a few things from it. If you got any questions, give me a shout. But the whole idea is to get this thing back together fairly quickly because I really want to get it back in the car. I still need to order parts for it. I'll show you a video. We had the crank on the polisher and got it all polished up. It doesn't need to be ground. I'm going to get away with the polish on it. So we'll show you the crankshaft. And yeah, other than that, I'm just going to have to get the usual thing. Rings, bearings, oil pump, timing chain. Oh yeah, he's worried it's cutting into the dog food budget. It will never cut into the dog food budget. But anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. We'll be back. Oh boy, Hirsch.